court where painted lines confine a battle-raged swift with thunder pace. 5 Celtic arms beneath the bright lit stream, with sweat and fire right lane upon each face. The ball, a global of faith and flight absurd. Each arc a prayer, its fall a trumpet call. A late defiant hand, but hear the roar, as leader find the net and spirit fall. Her giant dance with grace and brutal will, each move a burst, each feint a lover's lie. They bend the air and time with artful skill, while glory watches silence from the sky. Thought games must end, and crowds depart the scenes. Thus, it choose stay where dream and thus have been.